We are taking a quick look at Black Rhino ceramic coating. This is their 2 to 3 year ceramic. This is a graphene oxide polysilazane coating. This is actually gonna run you around $30 a bottle. So this is one of the most affordable coatings that I have tested out for you guys. But let's just go ahead and see if this actually is one of the easiest ceramics, no BS. So we've primed our pad already. We're just going to go ahead and apply fresh product and apply our product to this section here. Make sure you apply it evenly across the entire section. Pretty much you can do a panel at a time, but once you see that product rainbow and a little bit of sweating, it's time to level. Grab your towels. Just go everything. Straight lines for your initial level. Come in with your second towel. I always come in with a third one. This is very light, just to kind of make sure I don't have any high spots. Repeat that same process over here. And immediately you can feel incredible slickness under the microfiber. This is a very slick product. Super simple. It's just as easy as applying a wax or sealant to your vehicle. No fuss, no mess, no BS. I like it. But there you have it, a quick look at Black Rhino ceramic coating. Here's the finished look for our Black Rhino ceramic coating. Do you guys enjoy formats more like this? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next detail.